There are so many people in this world who want to know about controlling the thoughts. Some people said we have to reach the stage of thoughtlessness, which is absolutely wrong, because one of the most important functions of our brain is to think. Like heart pumps the blood to various parts of the body, in the same manner, it is the function of our brain to think. So reaching the stage of thoughtlessness is absolutely wrong. So my dear friends, what is the easiest way and the practical way to control and regulate our thoughts? Listen to this very carefully. Imagine every thought that enters. Imagine every thought that crosses your mind is like a stranger. So many thoughts, like so many people, they cross our home, isn't it, on daily basis. We know some of them, we don't even know some of them. Different types of people, they cross our home. But then we don't allow every one of them, isn't it? So every thought that crosses your mind is like a stranger. If the thought knocks your mind and you open the door of your mind and you welcome that thought, then the thought becomes a guest. Like when you open the door for a stranger and invite the stranger inside and ask him to sit, then the stranger becomes your guest for some time. In the same manner, when you welcome the thought which was actually a stranger, that thought will become your guest. Like the guest controls your time, your movements for some time, in the same manner, this thought which now has become a guest will control your actions. Then, if you further entertain the thought which has now become a guest, then the guest will become your master. It's like when we allow a stranger to enter our house and entertain the stranger becomes guest. If we further entertain him, treat him properly, obviously the guest would love to visit us again and again. The guest would love to spend more time with us, and the guest would love to stay with us forever and be a part of our family, isn't it? In the same manner, my dear friends, the thought which was a stranger, now that it has become your guest because you have welcomed the thought, the same thought, if you entertain the thought further by dwelling in the thought for a long time, the guest thought will become your master and you will become the slave of your own thought. And whatever your brain commands, you will act upon that. This is how some people, having entertained even negative, ugly, weak, harmful thoughts, they have become the slaves of their own thoughts, and they are into many superstitious things, and some people even went to the extent of taking extreme steps like committing suicide. So my dear friends, you have control in the beginning itself. Do not welcome every thought that crosses your mind. Otherwise, the stranger will become guest, and if you further entertain the guest will become your master and starts controlling you. So here is the key, I repeat, exercise control in the beginning itself. Once you identify that this thought is ugly, bad, irrelevant, harmful, it is going to innervate you, then and there itself you focus your mind on something useful or something positive. Like that, you can shift your focus from negative, weak, ugly thoughts to positive, good, and strong thoughts which are going to empower you. I hope this discussion will really benefit you. Practice this, and if it works out for you, then please share your comments and share the video with as many as you can. Thank you so much for listening. I wish you all the best.